Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel. I'm April, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Today I am here with a video of this look that you see here. I did a slight bead with a red bold lip. I decided to do a red lip because I hadn't done the red lip in a while, and I've done a video on the red lip before, but this is a more updated version. Also, I have a new do. Can you tell I am feeling myself right now? Can you tell? Yes. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. So I've already moisturized my skin and I've done my eyebrows, so I'm just going to start with my primer, and I'm using the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Put a little bit on the back of my hand and just get the areas that I do get oily on, so like my cheeks, forehead. So yeah, this will be just a get ready with me. I'm getting ready to apply my foundation. I'm using the MAC Match Master Foundation in the color 851. I'm trying to hurry up and use this. I wonder how much is still left in here. I haven't had this thing forever, and I've been trying to use it up so I can turn it in to MAC so I can get some free product. Now, I don't like applying my foundation on the back of my hand because I really don't like the back of my hand getting dirty. So that's why you see me putting it all over my face like this. So yeah, oh, I got it in my brow. Excuse me, y'all. I need to touch up my eyebrow again because I got a little bit foundation in it. Back to new. Okay, I'm going in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to highlight under my eyes, my forehead, nose, and chin. This is the NARS Dark 4 foundation stick.
OmniaBeats.com.
I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and that's going to go over my highlight. Then I'll be going over my contour with the Sacha Buttercup. So to blend that line, I'll just use the MAC Studio Fix powder just to get rid of that harsh line. So I'm gonna go back in with my bronze powder just to add some more warmth to where I applied my contour. Add some warmth back into my face, and also from where you apply that powder. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, she's snatched. She is snatched. Surf Baby Cheek Powder in my Paradise. It's an old one, but since it's kind of orange, I said I'll use it. OmniBeats.com. After that, it's time for some highlight. And what am I going to use? I think I'm just stick to Matte Gold Deposit for my highlight. Telling you the highlight is like the main event, ain't it? OmniBeats.com. I do want to put on some shadow. I want to put on like a light brown just to have some color on my eyes. Nothing fancy, nothing fancy. I think I'm gonna go in, like I just want a nice light brown color. Now I'm just gonna spray my face down with some MAC Studio Fix. Now I'm going in with some Better Than Sex mascara. So for lips, I am going to be using Vino. And I learned this color combination from my Tania. Shout out to Tania. Hey Tania. Hey girl. Hey. So now I'm going to take Ruby Woo and just go over that. Alright, and now you have the finished look. This is the finished look once I have taken down my hair. Everything just comes together so nicely. Face beat, everything hair beat, and everything just looks good. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching once again. Please subscribe before you go. I would really appreciate it if you did that. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram at AestheticallyApril. All right, until next time, peace and blessings. Bye.